When Allah chooses you, He doesn't just guide your heart. He transforms your entire being. Your mind, your emotions, your body, even your energy starts shifting. If you're feeling unusual changes, tiredness, or sudden clarity, this may be Allah preparing you for something powerful. Today, let's understand these divine signs. There are moments in life when you feel different, not because something is wrong, but because Allah is rewiring you for a greater purpose. Many people don't recognize this phase. They think they are weak, tired, or lost. But in reality, Allah is preparing His chosen servants for what lies ahead. Sometimes your body suddenly feels drained. Your sleep patterns change. Your appetite shifts. Your heart becomes sensitive to things it once ignored. You may detach from people, places, or habits that no longer align with your spiritual growth. These experiences are not random. They are divine adjustments. Mufti Menk often reminds us, before Allah elevates you, He isolates you. He clears away distractions so you can reconnect with Him. When Allah wants to strengthen you, He first empties you. He removes attachments from your heart so He can refill it with His nur. One of the biggest signs that Allah is rewiring your body is the sudden urge to improve your character. You become more patient, more forgiving, more aware of your flaws. Your body starts rejecting sin, rejecting unhealthy environments, rejecting things that drain your soul. That is Allah protecting you before you even know why. Another sign is emotional cleansing. You may cry more easily, feel deeper, or experience sudden calmness after hardship. This is your heart being purified. Allah does not place a great mission inside an unprepared soul. He polishes you through pain so you become unshakable. You may also notice your thoughts shifting. Your mind becomes clearer. You start seeing the truth of people. You recognize blessings you once ignored. You feel drawn to prayer at unusual times. Your intuition becomes stronger. These are the upgrades Allah gives only to those He is preparing for a higher purpose. Your physical body also changes. Fatigue can be a sign, not weakness, but transformation. When your soul grows, your body adjusts. You may feel disconnected from worldly noise. You choose silence over drama, peace over arguments, simplicity over showing off. This is Allah protecting your energy for what is coming next. Sometimes you may feel lonely, but loneliness is not a punishment. It's a recalibration. Allah removes you from certain people so He can place you among better ones. Your circle changes because your destiny is changing. If you are experiencing unexplained shifts, spiritually, emotionally, or physically, remember this. Allah never rewires someone unless He is preparing them for a new chapter, a new blessing, or a new responsibility. Trust the process. Trust the pain. Trust the transformation. Your body, mind, and soul are being aligned by the One who knows what your future holds. You are not breaking. You are being rebuilt. Every change you feel is preparing you for a level you prayed for. Stay patient, stay connected to Allah, and keep your heart pure. This is Spirit Deen, reminding you that Allah never transforms a soul without a divine purpose behind it. If this message touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe to Spirit Deen for more uplifting reminders. Type this prayer in the comments. Ya Allah, strengthen me, purify me, and prepare me for what you have written for me. May Allah grant you light in your body, peace in your soul, and strength for your journey. Ameen.